We have the 2020 Camaro 2LT. All right, the customer came through actually a little while back. He purchased this setup offline off of their website, ZZP. Never really heard of it, but he, as soon as we installed it, everything was good. A few months after, he heard this rattle. Not because we didn't do a good job installing it, the rattle was inside the actual system. Very, very strange, guys, so I wouldn't recommend this. So it was a complete bolt-on system. Let me show you the deal. We did have to fabricate a little bit. There was clamps right here. We had to remove them and recreate this midsection, 3-inch piping, stock down pipe. There's a flex pipe right there. What the customer wanted to do is replace that big muffler with these Vibrant resonators right here. All right, so we had to cut this entire section out, which you see on the floor. We put in that Y pipe, guys. We have Berto, great fabricator, throwing on those Vibrant resonators that are available at gexhaust.com if you want. As you can see, he didn't want any tips, guys, but you could always replace the tips anytime you like. I mean, personally, you know, I would suggest replacing the tips. These look a little older, a little run down, but if you could afford it, do it. If not, you know, you could always wait till another time. So this is the setup, guys. I'll show you the finished product in a bit. All right, so we're finished up with the Camaro. We got Matt checking up if everything's good, paying attention to the details. Let's start from the front all the way back, guys. Again, this was a ZZP exhaust system, but the customer heard a little rattle inside the system months after he got it installed. Stock down pipe, flex pipe right here. This is the section we had to cut out. There was clamps. We had to re-weld it. Then in the back, he wanted to remove the muffler because he still wanted some sound. He didn't want it to sound stock, or too aggressive for that matter. So he removed the muffler and installed these Vibrant resonators right there. These Vibrant resonators are good. They'll tone it down a bit, but obviously you're removing a big muffler and replacing just these small little resonators, so it'll still open it up. The advantage over here is the drone, right? You don't want to hear that drone in the car, especially if you have kids, a family, etc. He wanted to go with these stock tips, guys. He just replaced them. He's like, all right, I don't want to do anything too crazy. Again, you could always do it later. So this is the entire system. We're spraying it down to prevent rust. That's what you see, that black spray paint right there. We got the GTI that I'm going to show you in a little bit. Let me know what you think about this.